The number of cherries grown on these two small scions are, there are 5 on that side, there are 6 on this side, and there are another 5 on this side, and I feel the number of cherries are too many. It is a small graft. If I leave all of them on, then it is going to affect its growth. So I have decided to cut the number of cherries and reduce the number to 1 cherry on each side. So I'll start cutting these on this side. That's 1. Two. That will. I have cut 5 from that side. And there are 2 cherries left, 1 on each side. 1 is over here and 1 is over here, and I feel that it will increase the growth of that small scion on both sides. Now the growth will improve, and those are the number of cherries which I have just cut down from this small scion, which had just started growing a few weeks back. Just imagine how many cherries were there on these 2 small scions. I have cut 14 cherries and I have left 1 on each side, so the total number was 60. On the other branch of the same tree, the grafting which was done a year earlier, it has over a dozen cherries which I have decided not to cut them down because it looks like they are not affecting the growth of the tree. That's another cherry tree in my garden. It has a lot of cherry fruit on it. The branches at the bottom, they are coming down to the ground with the weight of the cherries. But at the top, before I could realize, the pigeons were coming and they were eating all the flowers, collecting nectar instead of nectar points. Top of the tree has been cleared off by pigeons. They had eaten all the flowers before they could turn into cherries, and when they got rid of all the flowers, they started eating the leaves before I could realize what's happening.